Hi, welcome back. If this is your first time, you are welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, come on, support your girl, subscribe. And if this is your first time again, go back to the very first episode so that you will not miss anything now. This is the continuation of our Yoruba alphabet. So, the last time we stopped at L, and today we will be starting from L again and touch down to the very last letter, which is Z. Always remember this: there are some letters in English alphabet that we do not have in Yoruba alphabet, and at the end of this lesson you will get to know them, and that is going to be your own work. That is going to be your take-home assignment. So let's go. L is Li, M is me, N in Yoruba is Ni. In Yoruba we have two O's. One is O and the other one is O. So the difference in that two O is just one dot, a little dot. So we have one O and our other one is home with a dot. So P is P. P. We don't have Q in Yoruba letters, so we're going to cross that out. Our R is R. Again, we have two S. The first S is C. Remember, we don't have this C in our first video, but this kind of C is pronounced as C, and the other S is she. C, she. T is T, regular T. U is who, nothing like V. We're gonna cross it out. We cross that out. And our W is V. We don't have this kind of S. We're gonna cross it out. And our Y is E. Remember in our very first video, I told you guys that we have two E, and it's pronounced as A and He. Instead of we calling our home Y as Y, we call it E. And we don't have no Z. So I'm going to write all those letters for you how to write so that you will be able to pronounce it better. So L is Li, and M is me, N is Ni, and O, the first one is O, and the second one is pronounced as O. We have our P as P. We have our R as R. We have our first S as C, and the other one as she. Our T is regular T. Our U is U. Our W is we. We. So Y is E. Let me just write it like this. So let me go back and read for you. L is Li, M is me, N is me, O is O, and the other one is O. P is P, R is R, the first S is C, and the other one is she. T is T, T. U is U, W is V, and Y is E. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've been able to identify the kind of letters that we have in English alphabet and the ones that we don't have in Yoruba alphabet. I'll see you in my